Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Asamawe Kana from the Department of Chemistry, Benue State University, Makurdi, Nigeria. On behalf of my colleagues Engl, Engl and Akasa, I am here to present a research work titled Heavy Metal Analysis of Biodiesel Blend. Now, introduction. Heavy metals are those metals that have atomic density of 5 times greater than water. An example of these heavy metals, we have lead, we have cadmium, we have zinc, we have arsenic, and then the rest of them. These heavy metals are not easily metabolized by the body system. Again, these heavy metals can form strong bonds with proteins and enzymes in the body system. For such reason, even at low concentration, we look at heavy metals as toxic metals. In addition to this, heavy metals can also affect the growth of plants. And when they affect the growth of plants, then the productivity and yield of plants and crops is also reduced. On the other hand of it, diesel can also contain heavy metals. And when diesel contains these heavy metals, the metals can trigger deterioration and the degradation of the diesel. The presence of heavy metals in addition with other environmental factors can also bring about the formation of sediment. When we have a diesel that contains a lot of sediment, then such a diesel is not appropriate for usage on our engines. It is against this background that we should look at the presence of heavy metal in some blends of diesel prepared from petrol and the biodiesel. Now, first and foremost, oils were extracted from the following seed: occidentals, Hura, crepitians, Cucumeropsis, manii, and Canarium and S. After the extraction of these oils, the oils were degummed. Thereafter, biodiesel were then prepared from these oils using standard reported procedures. After the preparation of this biodiesel, we went ahead to look at the formulation of the blends using petrol diesel and this biodiesel at varying percentages. After the formulation, then heavy metal analysis were then carried out on this diesel and their blends. The following slide gives us the results of this work. These are the blends of the diesel that were prepared at varying percentages, as earlier said. And then the following slide presents the results of the levels of heavy metals in the diesels and their blends. These are the results of the heavy metals for iron, for lead, for zinc, for nickel, for cadmium, and for copper. Those are some of those heavy metals that were captured in this work. Now, the trend of the results has revealed that iron was only found in the biodiesel of occidentals and the concentration was 8.438 ppm, while lead and nickel were all absent in this diesel and their blends. For cadmium, only traces of cadmium were found in the biodiesel of Hura crepitians at a concentration of 0.064 ppm. Copper was moderately found in some of these samples within the concentration range of 0.37 to 0.924 ppm. Now, of all these heavy metals, zinc was the most heavy metals that was found in almost every of these samples, and zinc has the highest concentration of all the heavy metals. The highest concentration of zinc was recorded in petrol diesel at 12.078 ppm, while the lowest concentration of zinc was found from the biodiesel of occidentals at 0.565 ppm. In a nutshell, from this work, it has been observed that the blends of this diesel had a lesser concentration of these heavy metals. And because the blends had lesser concentration of the heavy metals, it will make this product not to deteriorate in time, because presence of heavy metals, when they are high, they will trigger deterioration and degradation of a particular product. Again, the presence of biodiesel in this product will enhance the solution of any sediment if it is present. This work actually has other benefits such as a green benefit. The work is completely in agreement with the 7 principles of green chemistry, which advocates the use of a renewable feedstock, and therefore we would say that in terms of sustainability, the work is sustainable compliant. Now, on behalf of my colleagues Engl and Akasa, we wish to appreciate International Journal of Science and Research for the opportunity we have to share our work orally. Please, if you want to look at the details of our presentation, you can refer to the paper we have published titled Heavy Metal Analysis of Blends of Methyl Esters Obtained from 4 Virgin Tropical Seas Oil in the year 2013 with International Journal of Science and Research. Thank you.